We're going to do the general solutions for sine of x is equal to 0.5, but this time we're doing it in radians. Okay, we do the same thing, sine to the minus 1 on 0.5, and you'll get as your answer x equals pi over 6. So that means that the first angle that you have, your primary angle, is pi over 6. So that there is alpha. Okay, using that in your formula, so x equals n times pi plus negative 1 to the power of n times pi over 6. And that there is your general solution. If you are after particular solutions, so if you're trying to find what the next one is, this is where n is 0 for this particular one. So if I put n as 0, that will give you x equals n, which in this case is 0 times pi, which would be 0, plus negative 1 to the power, of 0, which is 1 over 6, which will give you pi over 6. Okay, if n is 1, x will be 1 times pi plus negative 1 to the power of 1 times pi over 6, and that will give you pi, which is this one here. Okay, and you're going to move back by pi over 6, so you minus pi over 6, makes perfect sense, and that would be 6 minus 1, which is 5 pi over 6. So this one here will be 5 pi over 6. If you wanted the one over here, you do the same thing, but this time you'll put in n is 2 and do the same calculations down here using the general formula. This here is the general solution for the problem that we've got in radians.